Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 9th February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 13, number 27, number 36, number 44 booster number 30 UK 49's tea time prediction join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only join YouTube channel membership now join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction member only join YouTube channel membership UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number join now today UK 49's tea time prediction first number 6, number 26, number 14, number 37, number 45, booster number 12. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and